Okay. Today I'm making grilled meatball sandwich. Now my meatball is already made. You have to make yours the way you make them. That's just how it is. You can't have my recipe. Sorry guys. Exciting. Meatballs are round and like to spin, roll around and shit. So, doing these differently. One half at a time. Makes sense. Now I'm going to take my meatballs, you just toss them up in the air. Hopefully they land on your sandwich about like that. When you get really good like me, you can just do it all the time. It don't matter. I'm taking my banana peppers because I got a bit of a tangy barbecue sauce and these mix really well with mine. Again, use yours however you make it. Duh. Banana peppers aren't going to taste good on all of your meatball recipes, but they taste amazing on this one. And I'm going to take my other piece of bread and smash it down on top. Because rocket science, man. And here it is. Add whatever you like to it, make it your own. It's a sandwich. Duh.